Hello, I'm Tom Booker, Senior Instructor. Thank you for joining me. This video tutorial is over Migi Jodan-Morote and Hidari Jodan-Morote, the right and left high double hand blocks with the katana. And we'll look at them from the front, and we'll look at them from the side. We'll start from Chudan no Kamae, our middle guard position. Now from here, for Migi Jodan-Morote, I'm going to shift my back foot, my left foot, back away and off on an angle a little bit this way. And I'm moving into a short, high horse stance. Both knees are bent. And I'm settling my body mass a little bit more toward the floor. I'm not coming straight back behind this way. From here, we're shifting off onto just a little bit of an angle. Now, as I do that, I'm bringing the sword here with the hilt, the suka, in close to my face, the blade here running past my forehead and out away from me with the edge turned up. The flat of the blade is in toward me. And I've got my arms in pretty closely. Again, this is a blocking position. I'm taking an opponent's cut on the side of my own blade here. So let's put those together now. Stepping back and off to the side, pulling the sword in this way. This is Migi Jodan-Morote, the right foot forward, high guard, high block, I should say. Chudan no Kamae, Migi Jodan-Morote, Chudan no Kamae, Migi Jodan-Morote. Now let's have a look at its mirror opposite, Hidari Jodan-Morote, the left side forward high block. From here, I'm going to step back with my right foot. But again, I'm moving out on an angle here, settling down into that short, high horse stance position with my knees bent. I'm not bringing the foot all the way back behind me. I'm here. And the sword's coming here. Again, the suka is in close to my head. The blade is angling up and out across my forehead. Edge is turned up, and my hands and arms are in nice and close here. Right. Chudan no Kamae, Hidari Jodan-Morote, Chudan no Kamae, and once more. Hidari Jodan-Morote. All right, let's take a look at these from the side. Starting from Chudan no Kamae. Left foot shifts out, settling down and in. Migi Jodan-Morote. Chudan no Kamae. Migi Jodan-Morote. Chudan no Kamae. Migi Jodan-Morote. Now, let's have a look at the left forward position. Our right foot steps back. Again, I'm settling down into a short, high horse stance position. And I'm here. This is Hidari Jodan-Morote. Chudan no Kamae. Hidari Jodan-Morote. Shudan no Kaman. Hidari Jodan-Morote. Shudan no Kaman. Now, Hidari Jodan-Morote, let's have a look at that from the other side, because there's something interesting about what happens to our grip on this one. All right, I'm here. Shudan no Kaman, middle guard position. As I step back and pull in, notice that my wrists are crossing this way. And this gives me Hidari Jodan-Morote. I don't have to shift my grip on the sword at all. So, Shudan no Kaman. Hidari Jodan-Morote. So you see this kind of crossover of my wrists and forearms here. Shudan no Kaman. Once more. Hidari Jodan-Morote. Just let your wrist cross. That's just fine. That's exactly what we want here. And arms are in close. The blade of the sword is in close to you, and the edge is turned up toward the sky. Shudan no Kaman. Now that was Migi Jodan-Morote, the right forward double hand high block, and Hidari Jodan-Morote, the left forward double hand high block. Thank you for joining me.